Welcome to this tutorial on building desktop applications with PyQT in Python. Let's start by understanding what is PyQT. PyQT is a set of Python bindings for the Qt application framework. It allows you to create cross-platform desktop applications using Python by providing a rich set of user interface components and functionalities. Now, let's install PyQT. We can install PyQT using pip. Run the following command to install PyQT 5. Let's create a simple PyQT application. First, we'll import the necessary modules and create our main application window. Next, let's add some basic attributes to the window. Now, let's show the window and run the application. Moving on, let's explore widgets, layouts, and how to work with signals and slots. Widgets are the basic building blocks of the graphical user interface. They are components like buttons, text boxes, and labels. Let's add a button and a label to our window. Now, let's use layouts to organize the widgets. We'll use QV box layout, which stacks widgets vertically. Finally, let's create a function to handle button clicks and use signals and slots to connect the function to the button's action. Now when you click the button, the label's text will change to display the message. That's it. We've created a simple desktop application with PyQT using widgets, layouts, and signals and slots. Thanks for watching this tutorial on building desktop applications with PyQT in Python. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.